Hey everyone, this is Jamaica Vox. This week we've got a serious situation unfolding. It involves a popular TikToker, Rosalee, the CPFSA, and children removed from their mother's care. The headlines are loud, emotions are high, and a lot of people are confused. So let's break down exactly what's going on, what CPFSA is allowed to do under Jamaican law, and whether this intervention was justified. First, what is CPFSA? The Child Protection and Family Services Agency, formerly CDA, is the state agency in Jamaica tasked with protecting children under the Child Care and Protection Act. Their mandate includes investigating reports of abuse, neglect, intervening to protect children, and, if needed, removing children temporarily from unsafe homes. Legally, CPFSA has the power to remove children from the home if there is reasonable belief the child is in danger or at risk of harm, even if the parent disagrees. But there are rules. They must notify the parent, bring the case to court within 48 hours, and only keep the children out of parental care temporarily under an interim order, usually around 30 days, while investigations continue. Now, what triggered this case? Rosalee made comments during a TikTok live session where she said she felt like burning down her house and stab up her children and spouse. Those remarks raised red flags.
I know someone have asked me, I'm a bomb clap. I feel like I'm run up in a blood clap, but I pies myself, so I feel. But you may have split personality that pill will come out of me. But if me was a one whole human being dead already. Come on, like the pressure is unbearable, no pressure in a blood clot.
CPFSA says it had prior reports of possible abuse, tried reaching out to her multiple times, but Rosalee was allegedly uncooperative. So the CPFSA escalated and removed the children from her care, citing the need to act in the interest and safety of the kids. A lot of people online are upset. Some say CPFSA overstepped. They think the removal from school or from Rosalee's care was unfair without offering her enough chance to respond. Others are arguing she was misrepresented or that social media commentary inflamed the situation. Critics ask, should all remarks, even hyperbole or emotional venting, lead to state action? Did CPFSA exhaust all less disruptive options first? And what about Rosalee's rights to respond? Is there a risk of due process being compromised in the rush of social media outrage? Here's what we know in CPFSA's defense. They say there were multiple reports, not just this one live stream, that they attempted to contact Rosalee several times, but she did not cooperate, that the law gives them a duty to protect children from irreparable harm. When they believe a child is in danger, CPFSA is legally empowered to act even before the court fully hears the case. On the law side, the Child Care and Protection Act allows for children to be temporarily removed and placed under interim court order while investigations happen. The court can later decide whether children should return, be placed with a family member or non-relative, or stay in state care. In my view, this raises important questions. Was Rosalee given enough opportunity to participate in the investigation before removal? Was removal from school necessary, or could a safer transitional measure have been used? But also, when someone in a public position literally says they want to harm their children, can we wait? The potential for harm may not wait. So yes, I believe CPFSA likely did have legal justification, given statements made, prior reports, and non-cooperation. But legally justified doesn't always mean perfect. I want to hear from you. Do you think CPFSA was right to remove Rosalee's children under these circumstances? Do you believe her comments posed real danger, or were they exaggerated? And what should be done differently in future to balance protection with due process? Drop your thoughts down below. Like, share, and subscribe for more informed Jamaican news and analysis. Let's keep the conversation smart, the facts front and center,